Welcome to the Young Trombone page. This is not necessarily for young people or kids, but this is for anyone who is just getting started out working with the trombone. Alright, so we're looking at lesson 7 of the basic training course for trombone by John Kenyon. We have a new note, looking at our A flat in third position. 1, 2, 3. And it says, look and think ahead. This is nothing in the key signature yet for this. So number 1 just gives you the A flats as accidentals. Moving on to number 2. Number 2, we are using lip exercises to get used to those A flats. And we start with D's and G's in fourth. Up a half step. To get the E flats to the A flats. Same pattern. So here's number 2 for real this time. And moving on to number 3 here, we're using ties in 2/4 across the measures. And number 4, they introduce us to the key signature. It's a college song. All B's, E's, and A's are played as flats. That puts us into the key of E flat. And here we go. Now, I've heard that song also called Orally, or Elvis used to sing it as Love Me Tender. So I'm going to redo that one at a slower tempo. Alright, so here we are with 5 and 6 of the John Kenyon Basic Training Course for Trombone, starting with something familiar. 2, 3. have something else. This is a secondary part of the same thing, keeping the same tempo. 1, 2, 3. All right, and all right, and here we go. Lesson 7, 5, and 6, solo duet, and we're going to go to a tempo of 120. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. And here's something else. Number 6. 1, 2, 3. Thank you for checking out my trombone tutorial page. I appreciate it and look forward to seeing you again next time.